Hi, I'm Melanie with Key Lead Engine. I wanted to discuss creating your blog or creating posts if you've already created your blog inside of our system. So on the left side, you'll see your menus. Click on your sites, click on your blogs, and then you're going to come into here. These are blog sites. So if you don't have anything in here and you want to create your blog initially, we're going to click this plus button. We're going to give it a title. We're then going to give it our domain name. We're going to find which one we have, and then we're going to give it a slug, simply real estate information or maybe just blog. We're going to give it a description, and then we're going to go ahead and create blog. Once you do that, it'll then show here as your blog site. So each time you come into your blog and you want to create a new blog post, don't hit the create a blog. That's to create the actual main site. So you want to click on your actual blog right here. And now these are going to be all of our posts that we're doing. So if we want to edit the main blog, we can click the edit blog button, and that will help edit what we're doing. What does the site look like? This is your basic page that's set up. If you make any changes, make sure you hit save and publish. If you don't want to edit the blog itself and we just want to now create a post, we're going to click the new post button. And we're going to go in and either write manually, or if you're using the AI features, you can go into the assist and you can write something here. So writing manually just allows me to do what I'm doing. If I'm in ChatGPT or I'm in Claude, I can add that information in here. If I want to build it through AI, I'm just going to come in and I'm going to write my topic, selling a home in a market where there is too many buyers. Give 5 tips on making your home stand out. I can put word limits if I want. My target audience is individual and consumers. My keywords, it's going to give you suggested keywords. So I'm usually going to click on that home selling tips, selling strategies, and I'm just going to hit generate and let that do its thing. If you were writing, you're just going to go ahead and type in all that stuff in there. So my advice when it creates this via AI is that you read through this, because sometimes this isn't going to be exact. Maybe you want some different information. It does create a image for you. And then it goes through, let's talk about curb appeal, staging for your ideal buyer, not for yourself. It's not emotional, price it correctly, showcase your home. So you can see it does a pretty good job at doing this for you. So if that's the way you're going to go, or you've just wrote in all of your information, then we're going to go ahead and click continue. We can create a draft, we can publish, or we can schedule to publish. So if I've already done one today, I might want to schedule this to go on Friday, and I want this to go at, let's just say 9 a.m. or 9:37 a.m. If you don't have a slug created by AI, you're just going to type in what it's about. It all has to be connected, so sell-home-fast. We're going to create a category. Is this for buyers, general news, new listings, real estate market information? If I want to add a category, I can create a category and call it home sellers. Category slug would be home sellers, because that's going to help us find this information. Info for selling your home. I'm going to create my category. And then I'm just going to reselect the category for home sellers. The author, you're already going to be listed, so you're just going to select yourself as the author. This is going to be my link to find my page. My AdWords are already selected, and because I let AI generate my image, it already populated it here for me. If I wanted to go ahead and add a cover image, I can edit this button and select an image that is inside of my media storage already. And that'll pop that image right in my cover image for me. I can give it a new title or change the title. your alternate text is what shows up if an image doesn't show up. So I don't want to say, well, stage contemporary living room in neutral tones. That's a little, I mean, I guess I can do that, right? But probably going to say alternate image. I'm going to copy the slug over here, and I'm just going to use that as my alternate image. You do have to have something in there. And then I'm going to do a post description. This is going to be under 250 characters. And it's just something quick, and that is what Google will look at for your metadata. So what is the article or the blog post about? Very short descriptions. Again, you can go into ChatGPT and say, give me a 250 character or less description of this blog post, and that's what you're going to put on there. And then you're going to go ahead and hit schedule. And now your blog post is ready to go for Friday at 9 a.m. Hope that helps. Again, just as simple as new post.